In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana with your team. Whether you're new to project management tools or looking to streamline your team's workflow, Asana can be a powerful ally in keeping everyone coordinated and on task. Let me walk you through the essentials, giving you the confidence to get started in just a few minutes. First, you'll want to set up your Asana workspace. Begin by signing up for an account or logging into an existing one if you've used Asana before. Once inside, creating a new workspace or organization for your team is a breeze. Simply follow the prompts to set everything up and make sure your team has a central place for productive collaboration. After creating your workspace, it's important to get your team on board. You can do this by inviting your team members through their emails, ensuring that everyone has access to the platform and can start contributing right away. The next step is creating and organizing projects. On your dashboard, click on Create Project. From here, you have the choice to select a ready-made template or start from scratch for a more custom project setup. Give your project a meaningful name and set a clear goal or objective to guide your team's efforts. Choose the view that best suits your project management style, whether it's list view, board view, calendar, or timeline, to visualize and organize your work efficiently. Now that your projects are set up, it's time to break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Start by listing out all the work that needs to be accomplished. For each task, assign it to a specific team member, making sure responsibilities are clear. Setting due dates, priorities, and any dependencies is vital. It helps keep tasks organized and ensures team members know what needs immediate attention and what can be tackled later. Organizing your work doesn't stop there. You can use sections within your projects to group related tasks together, giving your project a structured flow and helping your team easily navigate through tasks. If tasks require more detail, subtasks are a perfect way to break a task into smaller, actionable steps. Adding attachments, comments, and tags can also help keep everything organized and ensure all relevant information is at your team's fingertips. Lastly, let's focus on collaboration and communication, crucial elements for team success. Use task comments to discuss work directly on Asana. This keeps all related conversations in one place and avoids long email threads. And if you need to draw a specific team member's attention to a particular task, you can tag them by using the @mention feature. This ensures that they receive a notification about the task or comment, which fosters prompt and effective communication. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to leveraging Asana's collaborative tools with your team. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized workspace that boosts productivity and enhances communication. So go ahead, implement these tips, and watch your team's productivity soar.